Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo and today you're cooking with me. In this video recipe we'll be making an authentic Croatian dish, beautiful Samobor pork chops originating from the city of Samobor. Samobor is located in the northwestern part of Croatia, west of the capital Zagreb, and is part of the Zagreb metropolitan area. Samobor has existed as a free royal town all the way since 1242, so it is rich in history and tradition. It is a beautiful little town, best known for its delicious food, Samobor pork chops, Samobor cream cake, and the Samobor carnival held every year in the month of February or March. People dress up in costumes and have fun partying. I decided to make the famous Samobor pork chops because they are delicious and easy to make, making it a perfect meal you can indulge in very often. Okay, for starters, you will need 2 pounds of pork chops, flour, garlic, a glass of white wine, salt, pepper, and you're ready to do some magic. Take your pork chops and rinse them, then beat them to soften them up. Season them with salt and pepper according to your liking. Now that you've got your meat ready, let's prepare the garlic and we can go about making our delicious meal. Peel your garlic and chop it finely. Then transfer it to a small bowl so you can easily add it to the pot when needed. Okay, that's done. Now take the pork chops and coat them in flour on both sides nicely. It'll thicken up our sauce and make sure the meat stays juicy on the inside. There you go, make sure to coat it really well. And that's it, it's easy breezy from here on. As always, heat up your pot, then add the oil in and let that heat up too. Now put in the pork chops on medium heat and let them fry. You want them to get a nice color on both sides. No need to cook them all the way through because they will cook in the sauce too. Proceed frying all the pork chops on both sides. And don't worry if some of the flour sticks to the bottom of the pot. We'll deglaze it in a few minutes and get all that juicy flavor to be incorporated in the sauce. Okay, you fried all the meat, now add in the white wine and make sure you scrape all the flavor that stuck to the bottom of the pot and stir well. Let the alcohol evaporate and then add the pork chops back in along with the garlic. Of course, don't forget to season your sauce. No. Use salt and pepper in amounts that suit your liking. And you can leave some of the garlic on top of the meat and some in the sauce. That way the meat and the sauce will get the same amount of flavor from the garlic. Let the sauce come to a boil and when it does, lower the heat and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. The sauce will have become thick and juicy by then, a real treat for your taste buds, trust me. I know I always enjoy this meal, it's a classic in my kitchen, so don't be afraid to try it. If you like tender meat and rich sauces, you'll love this dish. Our rice is ready, now let's shower it with the sauce. Oh yeah! Look at this beautiful dish. It looks so delicious. The rich sauce, tender meat. Oh, I'm making myself hungry. Here's another version for you. You can eat it with pasta or with potatoes. Let me serve it up for you. I served it with rice because I feel the rice best complements the flavor of the garlic, wine and meat. Plus it absorbs the sauce really well. Oh no, we've come to an end of yet another video recipe. Well, it's been fun, but don't worry, check out my other videos if you're still not sure what to eat. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, bye!